Welcome to our detailed guide on how to prevent others from finding you by your phone number on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps to enhance your privacy and security on the platform. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to enter your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, select the mobile number option to manage your phone number settings. Locate the option that says, "Let others find me using my mobile number," and ensure that this setting is unmarked or disabled. By disabling this feature, you prevent others from discovering and connecting with you using your phone number, enhancing your privacy and control over your account. Once you have unchecked the "Let others find me using my mobile number" option, your phone number will no longer be used for others to find you on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this guide on how to prevent others from finding you by your phone number on Snapchat. Safeguard your privacy and maintain control over your account by utilizing this setting to enhance your security and confidentiality on the platform. Enjoy a more secure and private experience on Snapchat with these simple steps.